Welcome to my channel. My name is Mohsin. I'm Urdu language teacher. We are going to start another series of Urdu reading writing. In this series, we will use this workbook. This workbook is for non-native speakers. Definitely, native speakers also can use this this workbook for learning reading and writing. So I personally use this workbook for Pakistani native people, and I got very good, impressive progress in when they were learning reading writing through this workbook. Yeah, so today I will just let you know what we will do in this course, and I will share the table of content. So in this series, so we will do this for 22 days, and every day, so we will work on the alphabets and short vowels, aspirated sound, unaspirated letters. Yeah, so in the first day we will work on Alif, and then Bay group, and Jeem, and the Dal group, and Ray, Seen, and Swad group. Then on the fourth day, we will work on the short vowels and wow, and different uses of wow. On the fifth day, we will work on another letters, Toe, Ein, and Fe group. And the sixth day, we will work on Kaf group, Lam, Meem, and Noon, and Noon nasalize. On the seventh day, we will work on Choti Yay and Do Chashmi Hai. On the eighth day, we will work on Choti Yay and Bari Yay. On the ninth day, so we will work on some special symbols like Tashdid, Hamza, Izafat, Tanween, and on day 10 to 13, so we will work on some small paragraphs with the pictures, and so if you keep with me um, on till 9 days and do practice with me, so you will be able to read a paragraph which we will give you on the day of 10. So you will be able to read that, and you can understand what you are reading as well. So on from day 14 to 22, so we have short stories about Anwar's family. So every day we will work on each story, and we will find out new vocabulary, and I will post the vocabulary and verbs, noun, and regular verbs, adjectives, and some other in my uh, other videos. So if you want to get this workbook, so uh, you can email me, so we can deliver this on your doorstep. So stay with us and uh, subscribe our channel, so you can get the daily update about this series of Urdu reading writing.